Don't miss this opportunity to own a charming 2-story townhome with 1,587 square feet of living space in the gated Village of Lake Highland community. This home features a welcoming foyer, ceramic tile flooring in key areas for easy maintenance, and a kitchen with ample wood cabinetry and granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. For added privacy, the master bedroom is conveniently located on the main floor. The home also offers a serene conservation view, perfect for enjoying a peaceful morning coffee surrounded by nature's beauty. The second floor is beautifully upgraded with elegant, engineered hardwood flooring. The other 2 bedrooms share a full bathroom, a spacious loft, and a laundry room complete with a cabinetry including washer and dryer. Ceiling fans are installed in all bedrooms for added comfort. Roof was replaced by the HOA in 2020. Air conditioner unit 2021. Additional conveniences include a 2-car garage, access to a community pool and clubhouse, and maintenance-free living. Ideally located just minutes from the Polk Parkway and Lakeside Village, this home is also close to restaurants, shopping centers, and more. HOA covers private roads, gate, exterior maintenance, roof/siding, landscape maintenance, pool, insurance on common